Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita and today I'm going to talk about various steps of skincare. Now what comes in our mind will be that we have to follow at least 10 to 15 steps of skincare, because in all the other videos in YouTube you'll feel nobody is talking about skincare. They are just showing what skincare routine do they follow. So I do not recommend doing that because they have a particular skin type and you don't have that. They have already some kind of a good result. They have acne, they have this and that what you may not have. So you have to figure out what is good for you. Then you have to go and jump into something. And most of the time, what is the most disturbing fact in any of the skincare routine, daytime, nighttime or morning skincare routine, is that they just put a product in front of you and just start describing about that. Are they advertising that? No, I do not recommend doing that. So if you do agree with all this point, then make sure you see the whole video till the end and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. The first thing, you have to clean your face based on a cleanser or a face wash. If you have a dry and damaged skin, go for a cleanser in the morning, and if you, when you come out of come from office to your home, that time to make sure you use a face wash. Then the second thing is that once you are already at home, to avoid face wash, go for a face cleanser. Use a cleanser. Then there comes after cleansing it comes toning. Do use any gulab gel, any other cleanser. Those are so many cleansers available in market. Pick out a cleanser which is good for you or you have already used, or maybe based upon your skin type, whatever skin type you have, based on that. If you are somebody who is already having bunch of pimples, try to figure out why you are having the pimples, because I always say maybe I am having a pimple and you have also pimple, but they do not have any connection between our same product, because maybe I am going through my puberty and you are not having that, you are having a much more sensitive skin, that's why you are having pimples. Try to figure out why you are having pimple, then only go and select a product based on that, because what is causing your pimple, that thing only can remove your pimple. Otherwise all the other products will be just giving you a temporary result, which will not give you a perfect clear skin until you remove the cause of that pimple. Then go for a toner, because once we use a toner, our skin gets much more hydrated. Any toner you have to get. If you are not getting anything, just pick up gulab gel. It is not going to damage your skin at all. That is neutral in its work. It does not damage, at least it gives you a very good glow or not, but it will give you a better skin compared to not using. Then go and pick up a moisturizer. Any moisturizer depending upon what is your skin type. If you have very much oily skin, then skip the moisturizer, those who are very oily, because in turn you'll feel like not using that after a few days. So pick up a moisturizer which is suitable for you, any moisturizer that suits you, not what I use, not what your mom use, not what your friends use. Particularly based upon your skin type, you have to pick up a moisturizer. If you do not get anything, I do recommend use Johnson Baby, that everybody can use. Otherwise go and pick up aloe vera gel from the market. Any aloe vera gel, anybody can use that. Those are some normal kind of moisturizers that anybody can use. If you are somebody who feels aloe vera is little bit sticky, then use aloe vera with any kind of moisturizing cream, because then you'll feel the aloe vera gel is like bit of oily in nature, is not sticky in nature. So I hope these 3 steps you can at least do. Please do these 3 steps. Then weekly once or twice I do recommend using any kind of scrub. If you are somebody who is not into that kind of makeup or skincare stuffs, then do go to your kitchen, take out coffee and sugar, do use or do apply a little bit of oil in that, gently mix that, use little bit of any lotion in that, then mix that, then do apply that as a scrub. Do gently rub that for 2 to 3 minutes. Thereafter rinse that off. Once you rinse that off, make sure you apply any face mask, because once you are scrubbing your skin, you are making the pores to be open. Once the pores are open, you have to stimulate the pores to be closed again. Otherwise, at the age of 30 or something, once you are already started aging, that time you will see much more bigger pores in your these areas compared to somebody who is not doing all the steps. So make sure you use any face mask after you scrub your face. So these are the basic steps you can do. I hope your skin will be glowing. We don't have to do so much for our skin. Just provide its nutrients to it. It will be glowing. That's it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.